Hello and welcome everybody to Crypto Rosetta. My name is Savage and today we're going to be having a look at Bitcoin. Before we jump into the price action, I'd just like to say thank you for watching. If you're enjoying the content, please smash that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, turn on those bell notifications so you never miss a video, and why not leave us some feedback down below in the comment section. Okay, so for the most part, we're still looking for this additional wave 5 to the upside, and we need to just be aware though, however, we don't have we could have started this from this low point here at this 22,301, and if we have, basically we wouldn't be expecting to drop back below that, and we'd be expecting to form a move to the upside here, something like this. We form a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, and then that would for the most part look to complete this move in my opinion, and then I'd be looking for this deeper retracement to the downside that we've been sort of looking for final confirmation. So that would be this fourth wave here, and then this additional push up, which could look to push us up towards this 25,398, all the way it's sort of between there and this 24,121 zone. So that would be an area we'd actually be looking to potentially target out if we get this fourth wave come in. However, like we've said before, we haven't actually had confirmation of this fourth wave yet, so we just need to be aware that sometimes these things, because when we anticipate this fourth wave, we need to see that confirmation and that move away within the correct structure. Otherwise, this could just be a extension or extended C wave in a zigzag pattern, and actually then we start to break down from that point. So we just need to give it a bit of time and wait for this confirmation. This fourth wave can potentially come back down here into this previous fourth wave location, which would be around about this 20344 area, which would actually line up with a 382 retracement. So this is something that I'm just sort of looking out for within the structure. For the most part, this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting us to start to see this move to the upside now. If it doesn't, what we could have here is a slightly more complex structure developing, where actually we have something to this effect going on, where this becomes an A wave or a W wave. We could come back up for an X wave and then push slightly down into this deeper into this rectangle here as a WXY, and then basically that could potentially look, like I said, at a maximum to come down to this 21,938. So invalidation of this current count comes actually by dropping below this 21,136, and if we do actually drop below that, then I would have to say that we were potentially completed into this high point. Either that or there is an additional extension going on here. But basically, if we drop back down past this 20,409, there would be two options we could look at that point. Either this is a completed move into this high point and we're actually starting this additional fourth wave here, or alternatively we can look at this move slightly different. And if I just quickly switch this onto the other one, let me remove this. We also need to be sort of on the lookout that this hasn't become a bigger, more complex fourth wave. And what they would be looking for effectively is that potentially within this structure here, we have a 1, 2, 3 up into here, and then all of this is a fourth and a fifth. So because we were looking for this bigger structure to tie in with this move here, this would satisfy that requirement. We're talking about it being potentially completed within there already, but what I'm just looking out for is if we do only form 3 waves up here, and we don't form that that additional leg to the upside in this yellow fifth wave, what we could then have is that this whole move here just becomes basically this this A wave down, B wave up, and then we get a 5 wave move to the downside here. So if we do start to develop a 5 wave move here, either we are, like I said, in that other fourth wave and we're going to look to push down there, or we could actually look to push down here one more time before pushing up and then pushing down for that next fourth wave. So we've got to give it a bit of time here. I am anticipating that we're going to get this fifth wave to the upside here, and like we were saying previously, for as long as we hold that support box as long as we hold that support zone of this 2266 to this 21938, then effectively I am still looking for this potential to push up into this range. And then from there, what we'd be looking for is that fourth down. Okay, so I mean, we're gonna have to give it a little bit more time and just get this confirmation within these waves. But if we do start to break down here, we could actually look to find support again within this fourth wave, like I said, and then look for that push to the upside of this yellow count here. So we're gonna just have to sort of take it as the moves come. But if we do get that deeper fifth wave here, if we do get a deeper C wave here that looks to actually come back into this zone, then it's possible that we have an additional leg up here before we form this gray fourth wave. So we're gonna have to just give it a bit more time. Okay, I'm gonna leave it there. I hope everyone found the video useful. If you did, please smash that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and why not turn on those bell notifications so you never miss a video. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll see each other in the next video. Cheers, everyone.